Google Calendar events not showing on your iPhone? Here's how to sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar in less than a minute. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and tap Calendar. Tap Accounts, then Add Account. Choose Google and sign in with your Gmail account. Tap Allow on all permission prompts. After signing in, you'll see switches for Mail, Contacts, and Calendar. Make sure Calendar is turned on. Tap Save at the top. Now open the Calendar app. Tap Calendars at the bottom. Make sure your Google Calendar is checked. If it's unchecked, your events won't appear. Give it a few seconds and your Google events will sync automatically. And that's it. Follow for more iPhone tips.